One courageous driver takes the wheel to stop power loss drama in seconds. In a world where your car's mood changes can transform a smooth ride into a roller coaster, get ready to cruise through the exhilarating tale of Accelerate with Confidence, Prevent Car Power Loss in Seconds. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to Car Computer Exchange. We are here to put you back in control and empower you with the knowledge you need to conquer those unexpected engine hiccups. Stay tuned as we uncover the common bad fuel injector symptoms that can turn your serene drive into a vehicular roller coaster. But fear not, dear viewers, for we'll arm you with the knowledge you need to keep your car's power loss at bay. It's time to accelerate with confidence and take control of your ride. Unveiling the marvels of fuel injection. Welcome to the automotive realm, where carburetors have gracefully bowed out and fuel injection systems have taken center stage. It's like trading in your trusty typewriter for a sleek laptop. These cutting-edge systems are the backbone of modern vehicles, and the true power players within are the fuel injectors. Once upon a time, carburetors were the go-to for mixing air and fuel in the engine. But then came fuel injectors, swooping in with their precision and control. These sophisticated devices deliver fuel directly to the engine cylinders in just the right amounts and at just the right moments. It's like a symphony where every note matters. Imagine your car's engine as a finely tuned orchestra and the fuel injector as the maestro. Its job? Supplying the perfect dose of fuel to the engine, ensuring the internal combustion process ignites with the grace of a fireworks show. But this performance wouldn't be complete without the ECU, the car's central brain. It choreographs the entire fuel injection dance, ensuring optimal performance and efficiency. The ECU constantly monitors various sensors throughout the vehicle, such as the oxygen sensor and throttle position sensor, to make real-time adjustments to the fuel injection process. It analyzes data and makes calculations to deliver the right amount of fuel at precisely the right time, maximizing power output while minimizing emissions. This intricate coordination between the fuel injector and ECU is what allows your car's engine to perform at its best, delivering a smooth and exhilarating driving experience. A drama unfolds, the tale of faulty fuel injectors. Buckle up because we're about to dive into a dramatic saga. The story of what happens when your fuel injector goes rogue. Picture this, you're at a fancy dinner, and your car's engine starts acting like a picky eater. It might cough, hiccup, or even refuse to eat entirely. That's your cue for a rough idle, or even a complete engine stall, leaving you stranded like a deer in headlights. Ever been on a road trip with that one friend who just can't sit still? Well, a faulty fuel injector turns your engine into that restless buddy. The misbehaving injector causes a cylinder to not fire properly, resulting in engine vibrations that make your car feel like it's breakdancing down the highway. Misfires are like your car telling bad jokes. They're not funny. You hit the gas pedal, and instead of a seamless zoom, you get a pause or a stutter. It's the equivalent of a comedian tripping over their own punchline. And just to make things interesting, your car's check engine light decides to join the party. Think of it as a disco ball illuminating your dashboard, signaling that something's not quite right. Then, there's the mysterious scent of gasoline in the air, like your car's joined the ranks of gasoline aroma enthusiast club. It's an olfactory SOS from your vehicle, a silent plea for help that should not be ignored. Ignoring these warning signs could have serious consequences for both you and your car. It's important to address these issues promptly and seek professional assistance to prevent further damage or potential breakdowns on the road. Unmasking the culprits. Causes of injector nozzle failure. Let's pull back the curtain on the villains behind the injector nozzle problems. Fuel quality is a prime suspect. Imagine trying to cook a gourmet meal with subpar ingredients. It just won't turn out right. Similarly, poor fuel quality can lead to clogged injectors, choking the engine's performance. Then, there's the low fuel escapade. Imagine your fuel pump as a vacuum cleaner, scavenging for every last speck of dirt on the floor. Driving on low fuel is like vacuuming up not just dirt, but all those hidden crumbs. They end up clogging the engine. It's like expecting a Michelin-starred meal from leftovers in the fridge. Adding the wrong fuel is a plot twist worthy of a blockbuster movie. Picture this. You pour orange juice into your cereal instead of milk. Except now, it's gasoline in a diesel engine or diesel in a gasoline engine. Chaos ensues, and your car's engine isn't here for it. It's like speaking a foreign language and expecting everyone to understand. In the same way, when you use the wrong type of fuel in your car, it disrupts the combustion process and can cause severe damage to the engine. It's important to always double-check and ensure you're using the correct fuel for your vehicle to avoid any costly repairs or breakdowns. Nurturing your injector, a love story for your car. It's time to shift gears and give your car some well-deserved love and attention. Think of it as a romantic spa day for your injector. Show your car you care by treating it to premium fuel. It's like serving a gourmet meal instead of fast food. And please, avoid playing the how low can you go game with your fuel gauge. Low fuel means your pump is slurping up gunk like a smoothie, and that's a recipe for disaster. Changing the fuel filter is like getting your car a fresh air filter. It's all about clean air and proper flow. Occasionally, throw in some fuel treatments, like a detox for your car's bloodstream. And if you ever mix up fuel types, don't panic. Seek professional help. They're like the relationship counselors for your car. Keeping your fuel tank at a reasonable level not only ensures a smooth ride, but also prevents potential damage to your engine. Additionally, regularly checking and replacing the fuel filter will help maintain optimal performance and prevent any clogs or blockages. Remember, taking proactive measures to care for your car's fuel system will save you from costly repairs down the road. Unveiling the secrets of DIY Injector Nozzle Spa. Ready for some hands-on car therapy? Let's talk about giving your engine a spa day at home. It's like pampering your car with a DIY facial, but instead of cucumbers, you're dealing with batteries and nozzles. Start with the car battery. Disconnect the negative, then the positive. Just like shedding layers. Remove the injector nozzle. It's like taking off your jewelry before a facial. Give it a good clean with the original injector cleaner. Think of it as a deep cleanse for your car's pores. After cleaning the injector nozzle, make sure to inspect it for any signs of damage or clogs. If you notice any issues, it may be time to replace the nozzle altogether. Once everything is clean and in good condition, reattach the injector nozzle and reconnect the car battery, completing your car's rejuvenating spa day. Putting things back together is like reassembling a puzzle. Reconnect the battery, positive first, then negative, like getting dressed up after a spa treatment. Finally, the big moment. Start the car and play detective. Any fuel leaks? If not, you've just become a certified car whisperer. Before we wrap up this fuel-fueled adventure, remember that a little injector TLC goes a long way in keeping your ride roaring. If you've enjoyed this turbocharged journey through the ins and outs of your car's power, hit that subscribe button and join our automotive family here in Car Computer Exchange. We're revving up for more exciting content that'll make your engine purr and your curiosity shift into high gear. Stay tuned, stay curious. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss a rev-worthy update.